So friends, in the last lecture, we were talking about general rules of interpretation for Schedule 1 of the Customs Tariff Act, and total number of rules are how many?
6.
Total number of rules are 6.
6.
And out of that, we had already done up to rule number
2.
2.
2A.
only
clause A.
clause A.
2 clause.
2 close A, yes.
Okay. So general rules. In this, rule 1 was that section or chapter titles are only for ease. And I have given in the simple language that these are not considered as part of law. Therefore, the classification shall be based on chapter notes, section notes, entry notes, and the description given therein. And as long as the classification is possible on the basis of that, any other rule need not be referred. That much we had already done. In rule number 2, clause number A. What is the main rule?
SKD, CKD.
Sir, CKD, SKD.
Can
Are
we
incomplete
classify
or
that?
unfinished.
Incomplete and unfurnished.
CKD are
And most essential character.
ये देखो पीछे से जिसकी आवाज आ रही ना प्लीज एंश्योर दैट वी आर नॉट डिस्टर्ब्ड इन द क्लास अगर पीछे से आवाज आ रही है तो ओके नाउ दिस रूल सेज any entry in the tariff automatically includes incomplete unfinished CKD SKD items also, right? Say for example their entry is given. Say, for example, it is car, right? It is only an example. You will not find an entry like a car there. It is a four-wheeler. Now, whether this is being imported as a complete unit, assembled unit, or it is disassembled unit, it will come under the same category. So that is rule number 2A. So reference of any article, any material includes incomplete, unfinished CKD as well as SKD goods of the same type. Provided, what are the proviso?
The essential characteristics must not change.
Yes, essential characteristics must be identical. Okay, physical appearance may be different. Okay, but the most essential characteristics should match. Then the classification will remain same. Now we start. The next one is rule number 2, clause number B. Now, actually, that 2B gives you a reason for suspicion, reason for doubt. Now, when the doubt is there, how the doubt is to be clarified, that is also answered in rule number 2, clause number B. This is here. Now see, this is any reference in a heading to a material or substance shall be taken to include a reference to the mixture or combination of that material or substance with other material or substance. What does it mean? Reference of a material includes its combination with other material. Very dangerous situation, right? What does it mean? Take a simple example of this whiteboard marker. Okay. Now, how many material are included herein?
One cap, one body,
head,
one liquid.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.